Sometimes you have a program like this one that keeps popping at startup. You search for a way to disable it, maybe in the startup menu or in scheduled tasks, but still you cannot find what launches this application. I'm going to show you a free utility that will help you in any situation. Go to this link and download Autoruns from Microsoft. Unzip the file to a location of your choice. Double-click the Autoruns 64 executable. And voila! You can visualize all the applications running on your computer at startup. DLLs, startup, schedule tasks, services, and whatever. Stay here on the Everything tab and select Search. Then search for the name of your application. In my situation, it was Mini-Tool. I'll just search for a relevant word. Oh, there it is, found it. Look here. Mini-Tool Partition Wizard. Uncheck the application. If the application asks you to run as administrator, agree. Look, now the application is unchecked. Well, that was all. Now you won't have any issues with it starting at startup. Thank me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you.